never done Airbnb. This is the first time we're doing Airbnb, and we are now at the Manhattan Suite, Manhattan quarters in Cape Town. And guys, look at this place. So we already entered. Okay, as you enter, you see the toilets, right? Look at this. The space. You have your own kitchen and your sitting room. Hello, this is our lovely hosts. All the way from Zimbabwe. They said they're gonna visit Namibia very soon. So yeah, this is the kids' room. Annie already put her bag there. This is our living room. Look at this! Look at this, guys!
Yes,
it looks so awesome. And this is our main bedroom. We just check. Ooh! Look at this. This is our toilet. Go straight to the toilet. Wow. Okay. My gosh! Look at the shower. Me and Dada can shower together here. Have you guys seen the shower? It's like big.
Normally when there was a kid with little kids, so we normally switch the gas off here.
Ah, okay.
But
Okay.
it's just off, and then you just press it down, and then you
Turn.
click and find what is it? And then it goes.
Is it on now?
Oh. And then it goes, then you turn it to wherever you want it.
Ah, okay. So that's when we're cooking food.
Yeah, when you cook, but normally we just turn it off.
Yeah.
here.
Okay, yeah, no,
For
definitely. I'll
security.
always turn
And
it
then
off.
tea, coffee, sugar, everything's there. The plates are in there. And the plates, the bowls,
Awesome.
the cutlery is in here. And the fridge is all yours to use.
Okay.
This is a 2-in-1 machine. It washes, it dries. This is a
Okay.
dishwasher.
Okay.
Then
Yeah, we have a dishwasher and we have a.
Don't hesitate to call or SMS me. I'll give you my number.
Okay.
And then every day you do receive housekeeping.
Okay.
So I just want to check with you what times you need housekeeping. Like in the morning, or do you prefer to do it when you are not here?
We prefer to do it when we leave the room, probably. Okay, guys. So that is our Airbnb house for the week. Yeah. So now we're gonna walk to Century City and get some grub. Get some food. Pull to open. Ooh. Okay, we are now at the mall. We are gonna look for Simply Asia. Is it downstairs, eh? Let's go downstairs. You remember now? Okay, so we're going to the food court. That's Cape Town Fish Market. Ooh. Okay, so, ooh, look at that big Christmas tree. Hello, tree. And we are at the sushi place.
Wait, don't take this.
There's always has to be sushi, huh?
Yeah. Next time I'm gonna change.
Always sushi. How's your sushi? You see, Dada became Asian. He don't eat. He doesn't eat colored food no more. He's eating Asian food now. Wow. Nobody likes cashew. I'm the only one that eats with cashew.
The nostalgia is back.
You see, I've got my own Instagrammer. Let me see.
Let's save this
Yeah, save it. Let me see.
and then let me do another.
Don't post it yet, man.
How do you?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.
We always like to eat here from the sushi. Who's winning? Who's winning? Anyone, you. Oh, what is this? chocolate. Oh, look at this. I can just jump into this thing. Oh. Did I get first? One each. What? Oh, that was the one that they were selling there in Namibia. And it was very nice. Yeah, I like that one. Oh, give me coconut. Coconut, the coconut. Look at it. Take one of each. Yeah, one of each. Cappuccino.
You want?
Just take one cappuccino. We're trying some balls.
This is gonna be around about 110, 115. Am I right, man? It's gonna be 150, 110 rand. Yeah, see, 112. See, I was close enough.
That's nice. It's my chocolate. Thank you, Dada. Oh, all mine, all mine. Look at the packaging. Oh, wow, look at that.
Are you guys promoting yourselves
See?
everywhere? Because I see you guys are in Namibia also.
Lean. So we got some lean. We're going to Pick and Pay. No, look, Checkers. Not Pick and Pay clothing, look, Checkers. We're going to Checkers. Strawberries. Let us taking strawberries. Why are you so red?
I'm trying to figure out the name of the place.
I'm saying, why are you so red? They have like frozen berries. You just pick up and scoop it. Must we just go and grab them and then come back here? Huh? BT Games. Magents? I thought it's magnets. So there's a second second floor that I'm not gonna go into. Yeah.
Your colleague Vaughn.
We go this side and we're gonna go fetch the kiddos. Fabulous Belton. So we're gonna look for the kids because the kids are done. Where they are. They're like, where are you? Oh, I hope they are around here somewhere.
No, what? You? Come take your stuff. Take your stuff.
Okay, let's go. So that is part 1 of Canal Walk. Where we're just grab some foodies and stuff, and some macadis and some Simple Asia and some sushi, and now we're going back so that we can chill and relax and walk and just enjoy with our McDonald's and stuff. So yeah, Annie, close off. Bye for now. Bye.